This is a fall makeup look gone wrong. A fall inspired makeup look. This was actually a request from my last top 10 makeup essential videos, and I am here to oblige. Hey girl, I'm Nessa. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where I share with you the latest and hottest in natural hair, beauty, and then some. So today I am going to show you how I got this beautiful fall inspired makeup look that did not turn out exactly how I was expecting, but it still turned out good. So I am going to show you how I was able to do this. If you are interested, keep on watching. But before we get into it, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more videos like this. All right, so let's get into this makeup look today. But before we get started, I must tell you that when I got the request for a fall makeup look, I actually got nervous because when I think of fall colors, I think of darker colors that I don't usually do. If you are used to me here or even on Instagram, you usually see me wearing pinks and also neutral colors. But I got the request. I did not want to let you down. But also, I figured it was time for me to step out of my comfort zone. So here we are today. I went looking for inspiration and I found it in a movie out of all places called Ava. So we are going to get this thing done. Now, I already have my eyebrows done. If you want to see how I do that, I showed you in my last video and it will be linked for you in the description box. I am going to move on to applying my face, and I'm going to do this as quickly as possible and keep it simple as well. And we may even have lashes done today. So my primer today is going to be the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. You've seen this on the channel already. I don't think I have any left in this one, but we'll see. Ah, look at that. Now, before I move on to apply my foundation, I am going to set that primer real quick so I can control my oils. And for that, I am going to be using my Laura Mercier. It's my setting powder. So I am going to apply this on top of my primer just a little bit so I can control the oils so they don't start coming up too quick on my face. And I actually going to be using new foundation today. I recently picked out new foundation. Now it's not new, but it is new to me. It's the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. It is in the shade Honey Bronze. I'm still trying to get used to this foundation because it is full coverage. So I'm always trying not to apply too much so I don't look like I'm wearing a mask. All right, I think we're good to go with that one. I think it's enough coverage. I don't need to apply anymore. So now we are going to move on to highlighting the under eye area, the forehead, and the chin. And I am going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This one is in the shade Light Medium. Now I'm going to set my concealer, and I'm going to be using the Urban Decay, the Velvetizer setting powder. I've had this one for a while, but honestly, I don't think I've ever used it. So I guess we'll see how this one works today. I just ran out of the Laura Mercier, so this is going to be the next best thing for now. Okay, so let us bronze now, and I am using always my Hoola from Benefit Cosmetics. And just so you know, everything will be linked for you in the description box if you want to get any of the items that I am using today. And I'm also going to use a little bit of blush. This is from MAC. It is the Like Me, Love Me Mineralized Blush. Just going to do a little bit of it. So now it's time to move on to the eyes, and the palettes that I am going to be using are going to be from BH Cosmetics. It's my Ray Ray. It's the number 2, her second collaboration with BH Cosmetics. And then I am going to be using the Beauty Rust by Colored Raine. Now I own a ton of palettes already. So when I decided to do this look, I was thinking about buying new palettes, but I told myself, why would I do that when I already have a whole lot of it already here at home? So I went digging, and those are the 2 palettes that I felt like would actually give me what I'm looking for. So we are going to try those out and see how it works out. But first, I am going to add a little bit more powder right under my eyes so you can catch any fallouts if there are any, because that's one mistake that I usually make when I do my face before I do my eyeshadows. I forget to add more powder and sometimes I have fallouts and it gets right under my eye and it looks weird. I have some kind of colored highlight going on and that's not cute. So always make sure you do add that powder if this is how you do your makeup so that you can catch any fallouts and you don't be like me. So I'm going back to my Velvetizer from Urban Decay. So for my transition shade, I am going to go to the Beauty Rust palette from Colored Raine, and the transition color is going to be Natural. It's this color right here. Now I am moving on to my It's My Raine palette, and the first color that I am going to be using from there, it's called Ambitious, and this is going to go on my lid. Woo! And now it's time to add some shine to that lid, so I am going to go to the color called Showgirl and just pop it right on top of Ambitious. Woo. I'm actually going to spray my brush a little bit. All right, so I think I'm liking this. This is super green, but I think it's gonna come together. I don't know, a little bit nervous, but I think this is gonna work out. So I'm going to go back to the first brush that I used so that I can blend these colors together so it doesn't look like I'm just popping colors on. And I'm not going to go to any color right now. I'm not going to dip it back into the transition shade. I'm just going to start blending first. I think this is looking a lot better now, so I am going to try to add a little bit more of the transition shade so that I can bring it all together even more. And again, everything that I'm using, including the brushes, are going to be listed for you in the description box. I feel like I'm missing something right here, so I am going to try to pop a little bit of shine, like a little bit of gold, but shiny gold, and see if that's going to work. Hopefully it doesn't mess it up. I am going to wet my brush. Again, this is a different brush that I'm using here. And I am going to be using this color right here from the It's My Raine palette. It's called Shining without the G. This one right here. So I'm just gonna add it right here in the corner, just a little bit of it. I feel like it's not shining enough. I am going to try this other color from the Beauty Rust palette. It is called Dream. This one right here. Oh, maybe I could add it in my outer corner as well. Do what's called like what, a halo or something. Let's try this. Oh my God, this look is going places that I had no plans for it, but Alright guys, so this is what happens when I attempt a fall makeup look. This is a total fail, but I am going to keep going with this because I already started and it's been a while, so we're going to finish this. It is what it is, okay? This is a fall makeup look gone wrong. Alright, I think this is as much as I am going to do to this right now. I am going to remove the powder, the excess powder from under my eyes. And I'm also going to do my under eye a little bit as well. But this is pretty interesting if you ask me. Okay, so before I try to apply my lashes and do my mascara and all that good stuff, I am going to set my face first. I am going to be using my Micro Smooth powder from Sephora. And then I'm going to be using my setting spray. Okay, so this look deserves some lashes, so I am going to attempt to apply some lashes, but this is going to be done off of camera because I don't want you guys to see the struggle, because the struggle is real. It's real. Alrighty guys, so Operation Apply Lashes is all done. It actually was pretty simple. Well, not simple, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. I think I'm getting a hang of it now, but yes, lashes are applied. So I'm going to move on, apply some mascara and all that good stuff, and we are almost done. I am going to be using my Bad Gal Bang mascara. This is going to help me bridge the gap within my between my lashes and the false lashes and just make it all look like they belong together. I always have to be super careful when I am doing my bottom lashes because one wrong move and it messes everything up. So I am trying my very, very best here. So for eyeliner, I am going to be using this NYX eyeliner. It is colored jet black and it is supposed to be a waterproof liner. I am going to apply this to my waterline. I drank so much coffee today that my hands are pretty much shaking. It is not steady at all right now. Oh. Okay, I think that's about it. That's all I'm going to do to my eyes. I feel like this look is coming together. I am going to do my lips. I have two different colors that I want to use. One is from Juvia's Place. This is called Soil. It is a matte liquid lipstick. And the second one is from Colored Raine. This is called Daddy's Girl. This is also a matte liquid lipstick. So I'm thinking this is going to be my main color and this is going to be going in the middle right here just to do an ombre type of lip color. And I am going to line with the Cork Lip Pencil from MAC. I have to be very careful with this one because this is kind of dark. I just have to make sure that I don't apply too much to it. I think this is a perfect shade for a fall makeup look. So now I am adding the Colored Raine lipstick right in the middle of my lips. All right, I like it. Okay, am I missing anything? Highlight. Gotta do some highlight. I am going to be using my Milani Sun Glow Strobe Light. This is number 3 for highlight. Okay guys, so I think this is pretty much all I am going to be doing to my face right now. I am going to get myself together, untwist my hair, wear something cute, and then we will conclude this video and do the final look. So I will see you shortly. Alrighty, so final look guys, what do you think? I think that for a makeup look that went all the way left, this turned out to be pretty good and I am loving it. Let me know what you think down below. Do you feel like I nailed it? Is it a complete fail? Do you think this is something that you can try? I am curious to hear from you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it for you. And if you have any questions, comments, any video suggestions, or you just want to say hi, leave them for me down below. I answer to all my comments. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you can know of my next upload, and also help support the efforts that I am putting here on the channel for you. And don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. In the meantime, if you want to see more from me, I have tons of video on the channel already. I will leave some suggestions right here for you on the screen. Be sure you check them out. Thank you so very much for hanging out with me today. I will catch you in my next one.